Today I will show you how you can really easily change any color into black or white in Photoshop. So let's start. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun episode. So this trick of changing any color into black or white can be really helpful in a lot of different situations. I personally use it a lot of times, so I want now to share this with you. So without further ado, let's jump straight into Photoshop and let the fun begin. Right guys, today we will start with this photo, and as everything in Photoshop, this technique can be done in several different ways. So today I will show you two different ways how you can change any color in Photoshop into black or white. So let's start with the first technique. That's maybe the easiest and most obvious way to do it. Let's go and choose hue and saturation adjustment layer. And now you just need to choose which color you want to change to that black or white in an image. So we want to choose red, and we will go just red here. Or in case you're not sure what color is this actually, maybe it's not quite red, you can go with this icon, click it on that, and just with eyedropper tool select the color there. So it's red, as you can see. If I go to master and I want to select the color, it's red. Okay, it's obvious, but just for you to know, if you're in some kind of situations you're not sure if some color is maybe more yellowish or more greenish, etc. All right, then you have this this range slider here to choose. Maybe if this is not just red, maybe it has more magenta, you can just expand it to affect more magentas or more yellowish, etc., oranges color, etc. So the easiest way how to do it is, again, choose a color and just move slider. Balloon, it's black, balloon is white, so it cannot be easier than that. Of course you need to play with the layer mask and just select paint on whatever you don't want to be selected. I will not just make this perfect now because that's not the point. The point is to know the technique, but this is it. Make the balloon black, you have black balloon, you have white balloon. It's so easy, but sometimes, why I'm showing you two techniques today, sometimes this will not work on certain images in different situations, different colors, and the shade of the different colors will not work. So let's go to another image and let's go to this one. As you can see guys, for example, we want to change the color of this balloon into white and black too. So I already made a selection of the balloon. You can do that however you want. If you're not familiar how to create selections in Photoshop, you can watch my tutorial about that right here. So I again have hue and saturation adjustment layer. I have the masked only balloon. I don't want these letters, etc. And I will go to, now I can go to master slider because I don't need to go to yellows. But if I want to go to yellows, I can make everything white. As you can see, everything is really nice and white. Actually, in this case, I don't need a mask. I made this mask because of the second technique, you will see. So the first one, it's really easy. Go to the color you want to change, in this case yellow, make it white. It's really nice, white color, and that works. But if you want to make it black, as you can see, this is not good. You have a lot of bad things going on here. And in this case, these situations, you need to apply another technique. It's again not so heavy, it's really easy actually technique, so it's just a little bit different. What you need to do is to use another adjustment layer. This time you need to use black and white adjustment layer. And for this, because it will make everything black and white, you need to have a mask. So I will just copy this mask by holding Alt Option key and drag it right here. Press yes because I want to replace the original. And that's it. Now everything what is yellow actually became black and white. So now what we need to do, we need to play with the sliders that contain that yellow color. So obviously yellow slider, and we will see maybe red or magenta. So we will see it. For now, as you can see, increasing yellow will make everything bright. And now we have really nice bright color, this balloon. We can make it even brighter, like overexposed, like completely white. So this is not what we are looking for, but this is cool. And if we want to make it black, as you can see, this is okay-ish, but we can play with the red. Make a red darker, yellow a little bit brighter, and now we have really nice dark black color of this balloon. And especially if this balloon is a little bit reflective, it has a reflective surface, as you can see, then this will not be like pitch black like this, maybe in some situations, but here probably will be more like grayish color like this. And now you can do that. You can make really easily black balloon, and of course you can make white balloon. As you can see, guys, it's easy like that. I will show you another example and then we are done, because that's it. That's all you need to know. So let's go to another image, and this time this is just the composite that I made of this image. This is the original background. I added the sky, I changed the sky, and this is it. I changed the color of this car into black because I like more this black car. Of course, I added some rains using my custom rain brushes, and if you are not familiar how to do that, how to create your own custom rain brushes, you can watch my tutorial about that right here. So let's change this car color into black and white. Of course, you need to make a mask. I already made a mask for the car. There are several ways how you can select only the car. One of the methods is you can go to select and color range, and now you can just press and hold shift and just click to select that red color, press OK, and that's it. So I already created that, and now as you can see, I can really easily change the car color into white. If I want to have white color, white car, that's cool, we can do with white. If I want to have black color, that's cool too. And with this method I can play with different colors that are included in that red color. So this red color contains reds and contains magenta, so that's cool because some portion of the cars, for example, those highlights are more magentas, and I can make highlights brighter and shadows a little bit darker, etc. So that's cool with this second technique. I really love it. Actually, sometimes I prefer this over the first method, but sometimes the first method is easier, so choose whatever you want. And of course, guys, if you don't want black or white, you can just go with hue and saturation adjustment layer and choose red colors and just change into maybe more orange, yellowish, and finish with this. I don't know, do whatever you want, but I really like this black car. Alright guys, and that's it for today. This is the end of this short tutorial. I hope that you like it, that you learned something new and useful. So I just showed you two different ways how you can change any color in Photoshop into black or white color. You just need to use hue and saturation adjustment layer and lightness slider, play with that, or another way is to use another adjustment layer, black and white. You don't need to put it in any other blending mode, just play with it, just create a mask and play with the sliders of the colors you want to change into black or white, or make it darker or brighter. Right guys, that's it. If you have any question regarding to this episode, please leave me down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. Have fun, experiment, and see you guys in my next fun episode. Bye bye.